My name is Beth Cunningham Murray, and welcome to Classroom Quick Tips. I've been an elementary school teacher for 9 years, and I love supporting and helping my fellow teachers through this crazy profession that we love. I'm here to give teachers like you quick quality advice for all your classroom challenges. This YouTube channel has been a dream of mine to launch, and starting on January 13th, you can expect to see new videos posted every week. I plan on covering topics like classroom management, lesson planning, instructional strategies, and much, much more. But most importantly, I want to support you, so please comment below with any topics or questions that you hope that I'll be covering through Classroom Quick Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you can stay up to date on all the new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on January 13th.